In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image overlay in Webflow. If you've been looking to enhance the visual appeal of your website, image overlays are a great way to start. They can add depth and focus, helping your images stand out while blending seamlessly with your overall design. So, let's dive into the process, step by step, ensuring that each part is clear and easy to follow. To begin, you'll want to add a div block. This will act as the container for your image and overlay. Think of it as the frame that will hold everything in place. Once you've added the div block, you'll need to insert your image into it. This is done simply by dragging your desired image from your asset panel into the div block. Make sure your image fits well within this frame, as it will be the base of your overlay. Next, you'll need to adjust the div block's positioning. Set the div block's position to relative. By setting it to relative, you're allowing elements inside that div block to be positioned in relation to it. This step is vital because it ensures that the overlay aligns perfectly with the image, no matter where it sits on your page. With your image in place, it's time to add another div block inside the same wrapper. This second div block is where the magic happens, as it will serve as your overlay. This will allow you to add that layer of color that lightly covers your image. You'll want to set the new div block's position to absolute. This setting will make sure that your overlay merges perfectly with your image, covering it completely without any misalignment. Select full for the positioning, which means you set the top, right, bottom, and left to 0. This ensures that your overlay sticks to all sides of your div block. Now let's add some color. Choose a background color for the overlay div block. A classic choice is black, but depending on your design needs, you might opt for any color that complements your image. Once you've chosen your color, reduce its opacity to around 40% to 60%. This transparency is key because it allows the overlay to subtly tint the image without completely obscuring it, maintaining the balance between visibility and design aesthetic. Finally, don't forget to set a higher Z index for your overlay div block. This is an essential step to ensure your overlay remains visible above the image. The Z index determines the stacking order of elements, so by setting it higher than the image, you're making sure the overlay stays on top. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created an image overlay in Webflow that enhances your website's visuals while keeping it looking professional and appealing. Feel free to experiment with different colors and opacities to see what works best for your project. Happy designing!